Welcome to the RV Homestead. Hey, we really appreciate you stopping by. We're continuing our educational saga on cooking in the camp oven. We're actually going to pull out a Dutch oven. If you don't know the difference between a camp oven and a Dutch oven, the camp oven has got legs and the Dutch oven does not. But you can still cook with charcoal. You can, go ahead.
I'm putting garlic in there.
You can still cook with a Dutch oven on charcoal. She's making this hard on me. Rattling and clanking and talking. I love her. But she's making my videos challenging. All right, so what we're doing now is we're gonna cook. We are going to bake. We're gonna bake a whole chicken. Now we did a chicken and rice dish recently, and it turned out great. A little bit overcooked, but this time we're gonna go with just baking a chicken with. We've got some red onion, carrots, taters, garlic cloves, some, and a few other spices.
Russet potatoes, yeah. Nothing, yeah, just spices.
Russet potatoes.
We're gonna put jalapeno in there.
We're gonna put some jalapeno, yum yum, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and maybe some paprika. And let all of this goodness bake for about 2 hours on charcoal. One of the challenges that I've discovered is maintaining the temperature. We were just cooking, we had the charcoal the last time we were cooking. The charcoal was just sitting in a cookie sheet. This time, I'm gonna go with a drip pan. I have two of these drip pans. Whoop. I have 2 drip pans that I bought for another purpose. But I'm gonna put the Dutch oven and this one on top of the bricks, because we're gonna do another dish that'll be another video, and then the chicken is gonna go into this one. Now I did torch this, so any chemical residue has been burned off. And we're gonna follow the simple formula of determine the size of your camp oven or Dutch oven, add 3. And that's how many coals, charcoal briquettes go on top. And then you put a less number, 3 less on the bottom. So we'll be doing 11 on top of the camp oven and 9 below for the chicken. And I think it's going to take about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I need a bigger chimney so they can get down in there. All right, now we wait. So when you're cooking in the camp oven with charcoal, about every 15 minutes you want to rotate the lid one way and the pot the opposite. So we're going to go clockwise with the lid and then counterclockwise with the pot. That way we get even. That way we get an even heat distribution and we don't get hot spots. Time to check my chicken. I gotta check my chicken. See what's up on my chicken. I need a glove. That's some hot stuff. Gotta have a glove. I'm gloved up. Oh, yeah, look at that. Man, that looks so good. Ooh, it's golden brown. I don't think it's going to take nearly as long as I thought it was. I thought it would take a couple hours. More to come. I'm so excited. You gotta see this. Oh, look at that! So we checked the temp. This chicken's done. I'm gonna set it off the side. I'm gonna get the leaf blower and I'm gonna blow all the ash off of it. We're gonna let it keep cooking in the pot. I can't wait.
Tender, juicy looking. Oh my goodness.
Look at that. It smells so good.
Oop, it's just coming off the bone. I can't even. Is it good? Is it good? For someone who doesn't eat meat, me. Oop. I'm just gonna have to pull that off. There we go. Look out.
It's literally just falling off the bone.
Wow, look at that.
Maybe overdone.
Yeah, is it tasted?
Well, it tastes good.
Yeah, it could be done a little bit less, I guess, but I mean, it turned out, so. Look at that.
Practically perfect. What do the veggies look like? Show me a potato.
Watch out for you. They turned out pretty good too.
That looks good. That looks so good.
Let's see. We'll make sure you got no bones. That would be helpful. No, I think we're good there. So what we could do, we might do something a little different next time. I have an idea.
That'll be another video.
Yep. We do those first. There's a bone in that one. Boop. Just be careful when you eat those.
Falling off the bone tender. And taste divine.
And some of that stuff's inside the chicken. If you remember, we stuffed it, remember?
Yes, I do remember.
So let me do that.
So we stuffed the chicken full of potatoes and carrots and all that goodness. And it's been sitting there simmering.
All you need is some cornbread. And I have some.
Cornbread.
I've already got some frozen. We'll heat it up.
Next time we'll cook some cornbread in the other oven.
Yep.
But I had to have some bruised cobbler.
Yep. Nice. Okay. There we go, people.
That's awesome.
Done. Chicken salad worthy, isn't it?
I don't even know if we need to do chicken salad.
Well,
This-
I mean, you know what
This is
I'm
so
saying.
good. So don't be afraid to try something new. The old and traditional methods
They work good.
there's a reason. They're traditional. They work. And that is just so delicious. And it's hard to compare. It's not like getting a roasted chicken at the grocery store, and it's not like an oven baked chicken. It's got a whole different kind of flavor, texture. It's just really great. You'll be glad you had it. You'll be glad when you make it. All right, y'all come back now. You hear?